Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing PIA's retro Boeing 777-200ER by Hogan wings. Let's get into it.
पहली उड़ान PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
So on the front of the box, this is how Hogan's models usually look like. We just have a logo on the left hand side and then a view of the model aircraft on the right hand side. Very nice and very unique. So as you can see, we have our Pakistan International Airlines logo with our white and then dark green and then gray underbody, similar to the aircraft livery itself. 1:200 scale here, and then as you can see, it is a Boeing 777-200ER made by Hogan wings. So the aircraft's gears are in a little set inside. I'm not too sure if they're fixed inside. Otherwise, if they are, I don't want to rip it out and open it, just for future purposes if I ever do want to sell a model, which probably won't happen, but you can definitely check it out without the landing gear itself. So on the side, we do have our Pakistan International logo with the Boeing 777-200ER, same scheme. And then as we move to the back, we can have a pretty good view of how the model will look like, specifications of the aircraft itself, and then our beautiful aircraft livery, Boeing 777-200ER, and then it does mention that we have our gears included, stand included as well. So we have a barcode as well over here. So this aircraft was it cost me around $65.95. Definitely at that time when I purchased it, it was a good price. I believe now they're probably going for around $80 to almost 90, but still very unique to have in the collection. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Stand here on the side as well. So here it is inside the bundle. Very clear. It kind of looks complicated as it looks like there are many layers, but it's pretty straightforward and very simple to take out. So we'll first go ahead and take out our model itself. Here it is. Very beautiful, very detailed model. So what I'll do is this, I'll set this aside down here for now. And then we will take out the second layer, which is underneath. So as you can see here, we have our landing gear down as well as our landing gear up. So this is actually fixed in. So when I open the packaging on the back, it won't let me put it back inside. It's either it has to be fixed on the aircraft or I have to put it in a separate area. So usually what I recommend everyone is that if you want, you can open it, but if you do plan to resell the models for, you know, more worth, because if when they are packed inside, it's worth more. So that's one thing I definitely let everyone know about, because even though you can see we have our registration MG, it's good because then we know that this aircraft and this set belong to this model. So just a little bit of a, you know, advice to everyone. We do have our landing gear up as well, which is good, and that's also sealed in. So we'll put this one to the side. We do also have our stand, which is good. Very beautiful PIA logo with our Boeing 777-200ER. We can go ahead now and put the stand on. It's fairly simple. We just push it in and then lock it back. So here it is. Put it in and then I believe it's locked. There we go. Yeah. So now it is locked on the back hand side. So there it is. So here we have our second set. So I'll try and take this out. It's just pretty much a double cover on top so that we have space to put our stand underneath, and then obviously the model takes up a lot of space, and then the box itself is quite wide. So here we have inside, we have our fixed engine and wing, our left wing and right wing, our back stabilizers, our tail, very detailed as well. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going, because this is basically very hard for me to get out, and I know that a lot of Hogan collectors can understand the same problem. So I'll just take out each of these pieces by itself, but I'll leave it on, and then we'll put one by one on to connect it together. Alright, so I managed to get all the parts out, so we'll go ahead and put in our wings first. We'll start with our left one. Fits right in perfect. Then we'll put in our right one. Fits in perfect as well. So we'll go ahead and put in our, this one is our left stabilizer. Perfect. And then our right one. And fits in perfectly. And then that, last but not least, our beautiful retro tail. And there it is, our beautiful PIA retro livery Boeing 777-200ER. Looks amazing, very beautiful, very detailed as well. Amazing. Alright, so as we look to the front of the aircraft, we do have our retro nose and then our retro color underneath the cockpit windows. Some detail on the cockpit windows itself as well. So as similar to the other models I have reviewed for the retro scheme, we have our gray underbody. Usually some of them obviously in the 80s had the shiny silver underbody coating. We do also have our dark green cheat line moving in through the front to the back throughout the body all the way to the end of the aircraft. We also have the white body color on the top. We have our PIA name on the front left door, our Pakistan flag, Pakistan International on the middle of the aircraft. We can also see that it mentions Boeing 777 no, it doesn't mention 200, but just Boeing 777. If I did put the landing gear on, we could also see that there was the registration on the nose gear, MG, but still we have our other details as well. Our beautiful engines as well are perfect detail. These ones do move as well, which is a good thing. But the detail on it is also very nice gray look. And then as we move to the back of the aircraft, we have our registration, Alpha Papa Bravo Mike Golf. We have our registration also on the bottom left of the wing, as well as on the top right of the wing. You can also see it mentions PIA and then Boeing 777 as well. And then our beautiful tail livery with our stars on the top and bottom, our PIA logo with the PIA aircraft going through the name right here. Our exhaust details, this is not embedded, but it is painted, but still detail looks good on it. On the back of the aircraft, nothing much, just the same PIA logo. I think, if I'm not wrong, the logo seems to be just a bit too much to the right. If they made it just a bit more to the left, I think that would have been more accurate. I'm not too sure if it's similar to the real aircraft, but I think if they made it just a bit more to the left, it would look a little better, but either way is fine. So we have our same PIA name, Boeing 777. Usually we should have the cargo doors embedded. I can't really see. There's actually one bulk door here, and then it's quite small, quite light to see. We have our aft cargo door here, and our registration. We can kind of see that aft door here. If they made it more detailed, it would have been better, but it's okay. But same at the front, we have our cargo door as well here. You can kind of see that outline as well. And then our PIA name, Pakistan International, our Pakistan flag, PIA name, and then Boeing 777 at the front. Still very nice, very detailed. I love it. It's a great collection to have. I would say until they release 1 to 200 in either Gemini or JC wings, or even in flight in a metal version, I think it would be very nice, because then with all the antennas on the top, it would look much more beautiful. Still very nice to see, very beautiful. Underneath the body, we don't have much. We just can see the outline of the livery, our gray body. We do have the stand insert area, our Hogan name, and then our front nose gear, and then to input our main landing gears as well. Alright, so some interesting facts about AP-BMG. So the aircraft was registered in Vietnam, and the first flight was on May 2nd of 2005. The aircraft was then delivered to Vietnam Airlines on May 26th of 2005, and then it was on dry lease as well. And then the aircraft was acquired by AeroCap in December of 2013, which was then later registered to Pakistan as we know AP-BMG on dry lease for PIA. So the aircraft then came to Karachi Jinnah Airport, which was then painted on October 30th of 2015 in the retro livery to celebrate its 60 years anniversary of PIA from 1955 to 2015. Definitely, personally for me, I would have loved if they put it on the Boeing 777-200LR. I know that the 200ER is very rare to operate from and from Toronto. As you know, I did manage to catch its very first flight here in Toronto many years back. I think probably one in a lifetime opportunity to see But I'm hoping that they create more retro liveries, but specifically bring this one back to service. Unfortunately, this one is grounded in Karachi, and it is also waiting maintenance work to get it back in the air. So let's hope that, you know, we see this aircraft in the air very, very soon for everyone around the world to see. The livery itself is very amazing. I would just hope that, you know, they make one in metal version and 1:200 scale. I do have the 1:400 scale made by, I believe, JC Wings, if I'm not wrong. And I believe they also made a 1:500 scale model, and I don't recall me having that in my collection. But maybe in the near future, if I get a chance, I'll try to grab it. But still, very nice. So, well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this amazing video of this beautiful PIA retro livery by Hogan Wings. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future amazing PIA collection videos. Once again, thank you all, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.